Gnomes. We all know them. These little freaks have graced the lawns of the world since at least the early 1800s, when locals in the Black Forest began carving dwarves out of the remains of fallen trees. But recently in Canada, a secret society has been stealing garden gnomes, restoring them to better-than-new condition, and returning them without a word as to who they are or why they're doing this. They only identify themselves as the Gnome Restoration Society of Canada, and they're active right now in the area around Kelowna, so if you live there, put your gnomes out. They might just get stolen for the better. On that note, I appreciate your attention.